Hello and a very warm welcome from Jaguar Crewe dealership. My name is Greg and today I would like to tell you a little bit more about our newest arrival, this gorgeous looking Jaguar XE. This particular model is finished in a striking Montalcino Red Metallic colour and is in fact the R Sport model powered by a 2-litre i4 diesel engine. In terms of equipment, there will be plenty for you to enjoy. Strikingly designed automatic xenon headlights with signature LED daytime running lights will further complement the large front grille with prominent Jaguar badging in the front. As one of our Jaguar approved used vehicles, it will benefit from a 12-month warranty, roadside assistance, 165-point multi-point check and even 7-day insurance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Coming around the side of the vehicle, you also have got these large grey alloy wheels. Prominent R Sport dynamic badging will be available around the sides, and the optionally upgraded panoramic sliding sunroof is really ideal for the warm weather that's ahead of us. The stylish contours around the side being a saloon add to the overall effect, and passengers in the rear won't complain as the cabin will offer plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3. The upholstery is finished in ebony black leather with light oyster stitching to give it a nice contrast, and there's also a center armrest with cup holders, magazine holders and even 2 ISOFIX child anchor points. Moving towards the rear, distinctively designed LED taillights will give you a Jaguar good look when traveling at night, and the boot space offers a wide opening which is great for putting in suitcases. Easily able to accommodate 3 or 4 large suitcases, there's additional storage and shopping hooks available on site, great for any delicate items, and underneath there is even a space saver spare wheel. It's nice to know it's there, but let's hope you don't have to use it. A quick glimpse in the front cabin is no different, offering a premium upholstery with a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and front seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort, and these are also adjustable too. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar XE Sport. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Jaguar XE, it really is an exquisite place to find yourself in. Featuring loads of soft touch materials throughout, everything's logically and cleverly laid out. The driver control panel will feature electric windows and adjustable wing mirrors, and also there's a number of safety systems such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning. The multifunction steering wheel offers paddle shifts, cruise control and even a heated steering wheel function, whilst the left side will operate the trip computer, volume and even Bluetooth. The color TFT screen has plenty to offer and can adjust your music, as well as a number of driver assistants featuring forward alert city emergency braking system with a traffic sign recognition camera which will warn you of any changes in the speed limits. Other great features will include specific drive modes which will feature rain, ice, snow for poor conditions, eco prioritizing efficiency, or a dynamic drive should you feel a bit more of a sportier feel. The center 8-inch screen is also easy to use, featuring a touch-sensitive screen as well as physical shortcuts on either side, which are great when on the move. In terms of music, you'll be happy to know this car will come with both AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, with an easy-to-use climate control system. Front seats are also heated, offering a 3-stage setting, which is great to adjust for those cold mornings. Bluetooth connectivity and pairing process is also incredibly easy to follow, and the satellite navigation also offers 2D and 3D mapping for all of the UK. To help with parking, rear view camera with guidelines will be further complemented by front and rear parking sensors, and it even offers a wide angle view camera which is great when pulling out of narrow parking spots. As we slowly move down the cabin, there is also a very easy to use 2-zone climate control system, allowing you to set the temperature just right. It even features a heated front windscreen, great for those frosty months. Moving further down the center console, there's plenty of storage and 2 large cup holders, and the center armrest even offers USB connectors and media inputs to make sure your device's battery stays topped up at all times. Easy to use electronic sunshade blind and also panoramic glass roof features 2 settings. There's a tilt function for a little bit of air or a full sliding option as well, which will fully retract back, offering plenty of natural light and that airy feel in the cabin. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar XER Sport that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 445 200, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.